Oh, oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants, man. It's SpongeBob. All day, every day. SpongeBob SquarePants. He can't help it. What's up, Zion? You know there's a song with your name in it, like literally about Zion. I'll let you find it. SpongeBob, SpongeBob, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob Round Pants, SpongeBob Round Pants. In timeout, two doing too much and not enough. Too much and not enough. In his kennel, if you want to call it a kennel, it doesn't have a top to it. It's like this round bougie thing that his mama bought for him. SpongeBob SquarePants, let it out, bring it around town. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. My God, he did not listen. No, nah, we got that. We got that out of him real quick and in a hurry. He did not piss on the floor. I promise you. Those days of pooping and peeing on the floor, the doggy door solved. We solved that initially, and then the doggy door helped with the rest. What the hell is this? Lord, they always trying to make us do some sinister AI things. This is day 85, right? Yeah, day 85. Let me like my own shit. I forget I gotta do that. Like, some people say it's bad when you like your own stuff. I like my own stuff. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. What do you do, Zion? You just search for people that are just starting their Java their coding journeys or something? Is that what you do? You collect us like Infinity songs? Oh, okay, yeah, me too. I did. He just randomly showed up on my thing. The algorithm is trying to push him. The algorithm is in his favor. The algorithm. You and him are the only ones I know. There's a few others. Ben, this guy right here. Um, hold on. I'll link him in a second. Who is this? This guy. Mod. We're not supposed to go and spin to that. Streams. All right. At everyone, I'm streaming day 85, JavaScript and Tailwind. The admins only channel. Yeah, I think I'm the only admin. Yeah. I don't know, man. You're right. I don't. There's so much I need to do. I won't lie. I've been kind of in an emotional slump. There's things I need to do. I haven't been feeling my best after and before streams. So this is one of those slow periods. So I'm trying to pick myself up. There's some things that's been going on. What's up, Suhide? Suhide? What's up, man? All right. Let's see what's going on. So I think yesterday we left off on this. Actually, there's something I need to There's something I need to do. Um, Man, no, you're good. I noticed I started later yesterday because like I don't know, man. Like I said, some things been going on. So I was like, man, let me be easy on myself. Let me be nice to myself. Let me be patient with myself. Oh yeah, I gotta turn. No, I already turned this one in. So which one do I need to turn in? So I did this. I did this. There's another one. I think it's. I know I gotta finish this. And then there's another one that I finished that I didn't turn in this one. Yeah, because that's when GitHub was having issues. I don't know, but if you have any ideas for day 100, if anybody has any ideas for day 100, please put it in the Discord or DM me on Discord, because I don't know. It's probably just gonna be another day, and I'm probably just gonna say some emotional things like, "Oh my god, I can't believe I did it! Oh my god, I did it, guys! Oh my god, I want to thank my mom and my dad." Well, he didn't come back home for the milk from getting the milk, but I'm glad, you know, I'm pretty sure he would be happy. Trauma. Let's see. So it was, yeah, it was the NFT preview card, and I think it's still cute. Brother man. Brother man. Oh, you can move this around. So how do I make it run again? Let's see. Man, if I have to do some crazy shit like that, you'll never see me post again. Straight up. You'll never see me post again, brother. Alright, maybe this will make it run. I'm telling you, I always tell y'all, if it is difficult, if there's all I do, OBS is over here, the coding is over here, OBS, I get on, y'all can hear the rain, I get on, I put the rain sounds on in a different browser, okay, I put these windows like this, my computer doesn't get, it's water cooled and shit, it's like, okay, I'm chilling over here, and I got the fan behind me. Sometimes Malachi is right there or behind me. If it has to be any more fucking complicated than that, you will not get videos. You will not get streams. I will not be here. YouTube keeps saying I need to make thumbnails. My God. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Oh, look. It deployed. Okay. So here we go. All right. So now we can upload. Oh, that's cool. See, the only problem is, you see this right here? If you land on this, then it's still doing this. That's a problem. Love me, and there's a problem right here, but it's just a simple project. Hold up, Zion. What are you learning? What you been learning, Zion? Oh, baby, love me, love me, love me, love me. Yo, where are you from? I'm from Texas. I'm from Texas, born and raised. I'm from Texas, born and raised. I'm from Texas. I'm from Texas. Texas. Texas, Texas. I'm from Texas, baby. Texas, baby. The big Tejas. 25 lighters on my dresser. Yes, sir. We bout to get paid. I got 25 lighters on my dresser. Yes, sir. I don't hear that Texan accent. I am from Serbia, if you know where it is. Well, have you talked to a lot of people from Texas? Oh yeah, yeah. You would probably think that the Texas accent is very like extremely Southern, or stereotypically Southern. So it's okay, man. It's okay. Oh baby, love me. It's okay. You're still learning about. Okay, yeah, yeah. So I can commit this, commit these changes, commit changes. Go to front end mentor, front end mentor, submit solution, NFT, card, Tailwind, repository, URL. Oh, baby. Turn this right here. Bro is from Serbia and speaking about American accents. Relax, but no, it's okay. I understand where he's coming from, because if you're from another country, right? Like some people, like in America, we have this idea of the the British accent, but the British accent isn't just this stereotypical British accent. There's like different variations, you know? So I could see how somebody could feel like, oh, I don't have a Southern accent or a Texas accent. Live site URL. Let's go to the live site URL. So, nah, he's good, man. He's good, man. He's good. You know, we try to be understanding around here, man. I'm not putting any of this. I post it on X, because I gotta post something on these sites. Oh my God. LinkedIn is so slow. Bro, open up in. No. No. Okay, there we go. I was like, what the hell? No. Oh, no. It's messing up now. I'm disappointed. Now it wants me to review solutions. Let's view this dude's live site. So he did this part. He did this part. This is working. That not messing up. All right, it's looking good. It's doing the responsive stuff. Whatever. It's good. All right. So now if I think I am at 330 points. Oh baby, love me, love me. All right. So we'll get started. Some people will say, like Zion mentioned, that, you know, some things aren't programming languages, which is fair. That's fair. I'm not mad at that. However, we have to start. Unfortunately, we have to start here. Hold up, why is this not? What the hell? Hold up. Inspect element. Oh, we still on 375 anyway. So this is fine. We were working on this yesterday, which is ugly in my opinion. Drop down, drop dead ugly. Are y'all ready to begin? Oh, what's up, Jacob? What's up, Cleveland boy? Let's cook. We are cooking bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs and grits, bitch. All right. Oh my goodness. No sugar in these grits. Let me put on my stuff like I'm a Buddhist monk. I have a project. Can you pull it and make it mobile responsive? What? No, you make it mobile responsive. You gotta learn, right? That's what you doing, right? That's what you I'm assuming if you made it, you already know how to do it, right? All right, so now let us begin. So, from what I understand, we just gotta make all of this the same. It's already in production. Nah, I'm a learner, buddy. Client needs mobile version. I can't help you, buddy. Sorry. Oh, that's unfortunate, man. I'm pretty sure you can find somebody to do it. I wish you all the luck in the world. I love you. Smoochums. Smoochums. We put our trust. I know you can do it. I believe in you, my friend. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you, my friend. I believe you'll find a way. And when you find a way, ho ho, it'll be a glorious day. All right. This is the design, my friends. We almost finished with this project because the next few things I got to do is just easy stuff. All right. Then we gonna turn this in. So that's, I'm getting my front end. Man, front end mentor is great. I love getting those points. I like seeing the numbers go up. I can't lie. I used to make fun of, I used to be like, oh, people just want to see numbers go up. I want to see them numbers go up. I want to see them damn numbers go up. Show it to me. Show me them damn numbers, baby. I want to see them damn numbers, baby. Man, oh man, stream and connectivity issues, and I'm the only one on the internet. Let's make sure we turn this stuff off. I don't even know why I have Steam on this computer anymore. Oh baby, love me, love me, love me. Oh, his name is Thomas S. Thomas S. And he is the Chief Operating Officer. Chief Operating Officer. And we're gonna close this one. Then we're gonna open this one. And then this girl's name is Jenny. What's up? Hypothetical question. Love me. Okay. If someone came up to you and said, I want you to ditch JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, and I want you to learn C++ to work as a software engineer in my company for a 90K you with a free vacations plus stock. You mean, number one, if they came to me at this point in my life with the knowledge that I have now, and they said they wanted me to learn C++, I would really question them. Like, why me? When they're so, like, from a business standpoint, why me? You know what I mean? Like, and you gonna pay me 190K? What's up, internet? So I know myself and my skills well enough to question my own skills and to question, oh, it's going good, internet. How are you? So I don't think I would be able to. Yeah, nah. I'd be like, what's wrong with you? Crazy? What's wrong with you? So we got, so right here. Free plus, okay, yeah, I can tell you what free plus is. So free plus, I wouldn't. Nah, it don't sound right. Something about it don't sound right. Why me? Please tell me why me. I think we can do milk bottles on all of them. So we're gonna do milk bottles on all of them, and then we're gonna change this to grid. And grid, we're gonna do grid columns too. All right, that automatically did that. That is nice, man. Chris, you've changed. I've changed. I'm good, Ruma. How are you? What you mean? What did I do? Why are you saying that, internet? Oh, baby, love me. This is not. Hold up. Yeah, it is played. Yeah, okay. I thought you said shouldn't put. No, yeah, you're right. I should. I'm glad that you said that because I do not want to fight with GitHub pages later. Just the thought of it makes me extremely upset. All right, so we got that right there. That was easier than I thought. It auto did the rest of it. So now we can just focus on this part and making this color correct. And so, yes, you're right. Man, y'all just don't understand. Like, I have the code of the memory game from last exam that I did. It's just that my teacher removed the readme, but I have a video of the final version. Oh, okay. So the memory game. Okay, that's cool. If you want to post a link to, hold on. Is that the exam you said that I don't want to bring it up if you don't want to. I don't want to make you feel some type of way. Yeah, go to the. You can post it in, post it in projects if you want to. I'm still trying to understand what that exam was because I know you were talking about it, but I was still trying to understand like what's up, game. I get to know about this channel just now because that you and Zio and I chat. What's up, game on guy? I like Tailwind. Um, I will say that the reason I like Tailwind so much is because I went through what I went through all those months with CSS. And I really feel like I earned the I feel like y'all saw me struggle on that last big project with all that CSS. Um and y'all, I feel like I earned the right to use Tailwind. So I can honestly say I did what I did the CSS stuff. I learned the stuff. I spent time with CSS, and it is time to move on. Um, yeah, Tailwind is a huge improvement. What color green is this? I have no idea. What am I doing? Oh yeah, we're doing a height. What is that? What did you just post there? Oh, that's the meta information at the top. It- oh, okay. Yeah, you can just do on your HTML file, and it will be a setup. If you just do, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. This is image. It's already all that's there already. Yeah, I do that every. Hold on, is somebody asking? Is somebody? I'm confused. Is somebody asking? What color green is that? Oh, 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 oh. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'll check it during the break. I'll check it during the break because I don't wanna take away from Frick. I'm gonna have to figure out which green this is. Love me. I think it said green. I'm over here by the way if y'all curious about what I'm doing. That's the green 300, which is oh no no, I already have the design file. I got the design file right here. So on one screen I got the Figma and then so but yeah, I no, you're right, Zion. I just recently found out that um Chat GPT and the AIs can take an image file and it can give you the colors, which is really handy. I had a color pickle tool. I have a color picker tool that um does that. So I want y'all to let me know if you see ads, and if you see ads, let me know if they are distracting from the stream. Please let me know, cause I don't know what y'all see. Hold on, Figma. What is the purple app? Link me to that. Link Send the link in the Discord. What's up, Genpai? Oh, oh, Twitch. Somebody was asking me that. Hold on. When you say purple app, you mean Twitch. You're asking me. I don't know. I don't know how to. It's just. I don't know how to I don't know how to double stream. I don't know how to do it. But if you want to tell me how to, if you want to send me a video. Okay, cool. I watch YouTube on the Brave browser sometimes. Hold on. Why is that? Hold on. Okay, so we got social links. We got about services and project, and then we need footer title. No, 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 no. It's not footer title. It's footer logo. I thought about streaming on Bilibili. I am still thinking about. Man, I'm so glad. I'm so glad you brought that up. Okay, I just had a brain fart moment because I realized this is a SVG. So does that mean I can change the... I should be able to change the color of an SVG, right? Through... I don't think I've ever done that before, man. That's the background color. Yeah, I didn't. Somebody was telling me. Somebody, it's funny because every time I do something that somebody suggests, it seems like it benefits me. I was uploading videos and somebody said, "Who was it?" Somebody kept saying, "When are you gonna stream? When are you gonna stream? When are you gonna stream?" And I was like, "Well, fuck it, I'll stream." And then here we are. And so now people are saying, "Why don't you multi-stream?" And so I guess that's the next step. Does TikTok allow the 19 by 1920 by 1080, what 1920 by 1080 streams? What am I doing? Tailwind, um SVG color. Oh, it's called a fill. Interesting. Look at that. They got everything. I've never used the SVG element in, so I'm about to learn something new. Okay, so that's not how that works. So I would have to do SV. Is that how you do it? SVG? Tailwind is so much simpler. Ha ha ha. Isn't TikTok vertical stream? I don't know. Okay, so yeah. That's what I was thinking. YouTube has vertical stream too, but TikTok can go 1080p. I've never see that's I believe you, but I've never seen it. Brother, come on. I just want to use the SVG. So essentially, I could do. That's weird. There's no SVG tab. There's no SVG. Oh, so there we go. What's up, Ben Codes? What's up, Ben? You just saw someone on 1920 by 1080. I'm gonna have to check it out. I'm gonna check it out during the break because I didn't know. Dang, I do not know how to work with SVGs. No, I'm not considering moving to Linux. I don't see the point. Windows is just fine. What's up, Roha? This is just I'm just doing Tailwind practice, Roha. It pops up like that on my desktop as vertical. He wants to be front end. You only need Linux if you're back end. Shit, right now I'm trying to learn how to change this SVG to a different color. The hell is going on outside? It's just recommended for back end. I'm pretty sure you can use Linux for a lot of different things, man, but my thing is that Windows for me right now is just fine. I'm having a good time with Windows. Hold on. I need to color this. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. So it's just not going to happen on this project, unfortunately. I don't foresee this happening, my brothers. Or can I color an image? Maybe there's image filters that I can use. Image filter Tailwind. Yeah, so all I got is the SVG image. I don't know how to the only thing I know how to do is insert it as an image. Background blend mode. Oh, let's see what happens when I do that. Mix. That didn't do what I am like. Oh, hold on. That didn't, you know what? I'm not even gonna deal with this right now. Because I'll be here all day trying to figure out one thing. And what's really gonna need to happen is that I learn um all right, so we got that. Let's look at this. Why don't we do justify? Is it around? Yeah, that's a little bit better. Yeah, you can, but oh, it's time for a break. Okay, so what were we supposed to do on the break? So on the break, we were supposed to look at, there's a lot of different things we got to do. We don't have much time. Okay, so multi-stream with OBS. Got that. Let me go ahead and pin that message. Pin it. And then she posted, what did she post it? She didn't post it. Trey posted this. Projects. Oh. Ooh, girl, I don't open up zip files. No offense. I'm sorry. Woo! Sorry. No, I don't start the stream every day on the same time. All right, I just got my first ad on the stream. Okay, cool. That's not good, but you know. So I see IQ quiz for elderly people. Hold on. So what does it look like? Is it an ad where it's like I'm right here and then the ad is over there? Like it's side by side, or is it like literally and it's something you gotta skip? Like you gotta skip it. It's a full ad. You're nowhere to be seen. Wow. Okay. Y'all, I need y'all to tell me. Do y'all see ads if I do this? Cause I'm trying to find a happy medium. Boop. Do y'all see something? Y'all see ads? Nope. All right, good. I guess that's good. I guess it's okay. No matter to me. Did you see a okay? So Zion, did you see an ad like when you were just like you just watching me and then boop? Okay. YouTube Premium is so much better. But you know what takes? Sorry, Chris. What happened? I don't see ads because I got YouTube Premium. The ones who are broke and can't. I am of the broke, but I don't see. I use Opera GX, so I don't see any ads. And then he's like, only the peasantry see ads. But on Brave, didn't YouTube make like a thing to do counter ad blockers? Yeah, they did. He's like, I don't speak poor. I'm using a blocker. It's crazy how efficient those blockers are. CSS battles. Man, listen, CSS already gives me enough trouble. I already go to battle with it enough. I don't see why I would want to actually. So I would need to create a div with divs on the inside. Why would I want to do this, man? This whole site is masochism. This is a masochist playground. I mean, I could do it. I might do one. This shit? Oh, hell nah. This would be... No. Hell no. Nah, I'm not about to do all that. Hell nah. Get that out of my face. Mm-mm. Y'all already seen me how I feel about... Dang, why does it just act right? They got a dude. The dude Web Dev Simplified is the one with the. Hold on. I like watching Kevin Powell do the CSS battles. Yeah, he's very adept at the CSS. Oh, I will tell y'all this. I'm not interested in being criticized. I am not interested in being criticized. I'm hard on myself enough. I am not interested in that degree of criticism. There's people that I DM that direct me and guide me and tell me what I need to be doing sometimes. But as far as what he does, I believe in a certain degree of tough love, but that's not the type of tough love or love that I want. No, sir. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No, sir, Bob. No, sir, Bob. Okay. See, I know I'm not crazy. This part of the experience, so it's 298. So I have to get my calculator out. You're lying. So what is 86 top and bottom? Oh, did anything happen just now? No, that's PX. I need PY. All right, there we go. And then this needs to be flex. Oh, wrong. This needs to be flex. And then we can do a gap. That's actually pretty good. And then we can, it's actually a bit too, Coding Jesus did a video about a 16-year-old naming it is this is your competition. The 16-year-old claimed he was coding for 4 years and struggled with the most basic stuff. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not into that. Honestly, like I appreciate what he's doing to a certain degree, but I'm not really into the whole like, you know, like this the way I this the hold on, no. This the way I see it. No. Hmm. That's fine. That's fine enough. Uh I don't think that's Francis, but it's definitely Barlow. Um, in all fairness, my daughter has been learning HTML and CSS in middle school. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you had kids in middle school. Damn. That must be crazy to be a dad. Hold on, what? The older I get, the more I start thinking about what it would have been like if I had kids. That ain't bad. It ain't good. Yes, I know I can use rims instead of pixels. I'm very well aware, I promise you. Her code is trash, Ella. Will you join the club? No. No, I will not be joining the club. The generational curses end with me. No, no, no. I'm already a dad. I'm a dog dad. The generational curses end with me, my brethren. Well, they don't because I'm pretty sure my brothers will. Rims are responsive, especially with text. You're right. You are right, Abba Frixandi. You're correct. Oh, baby, love me, love me. All right. Okay. So, now that we got that part, the next part, which this doesn't look like that, but we're just, hold on. This really doesn't look like that. Let's, man, what is the padding on the top? What is it, 50? I'm trying to do multiples of 8. I'm forgetting my multiplication tables. This one was closer. Forget it. I'm not even gonna destroy my mental health right now with that. We're just gonna move on. Okay. So the next part is this one right here where it is. I'm not sure how they are teaching it. I think it's more she's not interested in it, yet they count it as a high school class. That sounds about right. Oh, that sounds about right. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so we're going to, this is 768 pixels width. So we're going to 768, which is the medium sized, which is going to be at 50%. So let's see what we're working with. Number one, none of this stuff right here looks to be okay, so first let's see how this is supposed to be. So we have a problem with, okay, so it's supposed to have this little thing. I didn't see that. It's supposed to have this little thing right here. Oh my god. And this image, this image, and this okay, those need to be full width. Okay, so do 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 do. So that's egg. egg class with full. Bam, fixed. And then we have drink, bam, fixed. They should be learning assembly in Rust. By 7th grade, to be fair, they start learning about the history of code. The HTML only. 8th grade is when they do both HTML and CSS. Very interesting. I didn't know that. Look at the schools trying to do a little something, something. They trying to teach the kids a little something, something. They better. We are creatives. It's supposed to be a little bit bigger on the screen. So let's just, this sunny side ain't bad. That's not too bad. We're gonna leave that like that. All right. Okay. So we are creatives. Oh no, it's supposed to be 768. All right. This is supposed to look like. We are creatives. We are creatives. They are definitely doing more than what schools were offering by our time. That is very true. Very, 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 very true. We are creatives. This text preset 1 means that it is. Let's just go here. Okay, so on medium screens, it's going to be. I can hear that dude that just came in the chat. He's like, "How dare you not use rims?" I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He's like, "How dare you? How dare you?" We are the champions. We are the champions. Y'all, I might have to run to the restroom. Nature is definitely calling my name. I mean, calling it. Do you hear me calling? This is gonna be my first ever random restroom break after so many. So y'all gonna have to bear with me through these troubling times because, oh, by the way, I'm not sponsored, but these are amazing. They got shea butter. In case you're serious about wiping, as I am, okay? Telling you. All right, I'll be right back. Right back. Boop. Oh, God. If something is happening on stream, message me on the Discord. Be right back. Nature called and I answered. My God. That was emotional. I will say I dropped weight. Oh my God. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Going good. Reeked. Just finishing this. Oh, this landing page, man. I wonder, is there a special way to do hamburger menus in Tailwind? That's ugly. Yeah, nah, I'll do this myself. Yeah. I'm working on the 4 card feature challenge in front of mentor, and I'm struggling with grid. Um, I think that's worth touching on. I think that's worth mentioning in the stream. Um, and so during the break, I'll go through. I'll show you what I think. You know, we'll touch on it. Because I remember when I first did that grid, that was the first thing I looked at, and I was like, what the hell am I gonna do with this? So we'll touch on it during the break, which is soon. I will not be using CSS Tailwind Plus. There's a Tailwind Plus. What is Tailwind Plus? Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Ooh, that's pretty. I like the way that looks. Ooh, I like that. Y'all see that? Ooh. Oh, this has all different types of. Oh, that's cool. Ooh. Oh, did that come on slowly? Yeah, love by thinkers. That's look like a butt. Oh, ooh. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh yeah, this was designed very beautifully. Okay, so anyway. Um, all right. Back to what we were doing. I was getting distracted by beautiful websites and shit. Um, so now since we did 768, the next one is 1440. Um, so 1440 looks like this. Oh yeah, I forgot that on these smaller ones. So this is gonna, but on 1440 it doesn't show. So I'm gonna need to put some nav components right here. So let me. So if I go to 1440, 1440 is supposed to look like this. So I need to see main section class transform class. Oh, where are we? We are creatives. Where's the nav? Nav is right here. In the nav, we have a hamburger. Okay. And it needs to have a large of hidden. It needs to be hidden on large ones. And then we're gonna have a div of site links, and in that div, well, we need, no, I don't know, but when Emmett does A tags, it looks so freaking ugly. So we got about, oh, it's time for a break. All right. So now since we're on our break, why don't we look at that 4 card section thing that that Ruma mentioned. So I think what you should consider, you know how to make it responsive. Well, here's the thing. So I'm assuming you made 3 columns, right? 3 columns for the grid. So then once you get it to, I'm assuming this is 375, the media query should then go to 1 column, right? So you have grid template columns 1FR, 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 or repeat 3 1FR. And then once it gets to 375, we have beef now. What happened? And then once it gets to 375, okay, I don't know why you got 3 ads in a row, but it should not be doing that. I don't know why. That ain't right. Oh, on your phone. Oof. I'm gonna have to go in and fix that. I'm gonna have to go in and fix that. Because I haven't messed with the settings. My sister's husband said he can teach me Java. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Hold on. Rumor said yes, I made 3 columns and 4 what? So, okay. So, no, this is not the memory game. This is a front end mentor. So this is my thought, because this is a great example of how you can combine Flexbox and grid. So you wrap it in a grid, right? And then there's 1 column, 1 column, 1 column, and then inside each column there's a Flexbox. Or even if it isn't it could be grid, it could be centered in a certain way, but I think Flexbox will be okay. And then you just center it with Flexbox, space between or something with Flexbox, center it with Flexbox, and then on mobile, um, just grid template column 1. I don't think you necessarily need to mess with grid template column rows on this. I could be wrong though. I don't remember doing it like that. But either way, I'm pretty sure you're on the right track. There's multiple ways to do something. 3 columns. When you say three, you made 3 columns and 4 rows. Man, that was not a break. Let me take a real break. All right, break, real break. Damn, I also just got hit with the ass hella, but I'm here for it. YouTube is paying you ad revenue. Damn. I might have to adjust those settings because I don't want it to be too much. But it's just on its automatic settings. It's on its default settings. I haven't touched shit. Oh my god, man. Let me see if I can adjust that. Hold on 1 second.